All right, update of our 2023 Sydney build. Still box.
They move fast.
Brush truck. Your turbo comes.
They have a ladder.
5500 Super
Bad
Duty.
people can climb.
Heavy duty. This is a 2023. It might even be a 2024. It's got a matching box on it. Just came out of paint. Nice powder coated bumpers. Pretty good sized tank. Type 6 truck. Looks pretty good. Someone's gonna have fun out on a fire with this puppy. Nice stainless hose reels. I mean, it's not, you don't got all your bells and whistles, but if you were out in the back country, this isn't too bad either. You still got leather and got AC. It's got probably less than 100 miles on this truck. It's nice.